Okay, so I feel majority of you have Sharekhan accounts. There are few participants
I
who
really
don't
apologize,
have
friends.
Sharekhan
I
account.
really
Guys,
apologize.
if you don't have a Sharekhan account, absolutely no problem. Okay, absolutely no problem. I'll be giving you a website. You just need to register yourself in that on that website. Okay, it's tradingview.com. Okay, so I'll give you. I have also created my account there. Okay, so if you don't have a Sharekhan trading account, don't panic. If you have it, absolutely fantastic. If you don't have it, please don't panic. Whatever you can do it on the Trade Tiger, you can also do it on tradingview.com. Okay, so there is absolutely no worries at all if you don't have a Sharekhan account. Getting my point, everyone? Guys, I hope my voice is clear and my screen is also visible to everyone. I'm taking this last time tech check. Yes, so no issues with the audio as well as the video, right? Clearly visible and clearly audible. Okay, fantastic friends. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's take a overview of the website of the my OTA account. Let's take a overview of that. So when you log in onto my OTA account, this is where you land. This is the landing page on this website. This is your dashboard. This is how your dashboard looks like. Okay, and under my courses, you will be having this widget, Certified Trading Professional India Online. Okay, you everyone can see this widget here, Certified Trading Professional India Online. Just click on this widget, and the system will take you to the current sessions and the past sessions tab. Can you see here current session and the past session tab? Yes, everyone. So current session, it's the current session that we are seeing right now, that we are attending right now. In the past session tab, if you click on the past session tab, you will be having the recording of the previous session. So if you want to attend the recording of the previous session, what you need to do is you need to just go on to the past session tab and click on the session name. Okay, am I clear to everyone? Am I clear to everyone? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, now today what we will be doing is we will be having a hands-on experience on the Trade Tiger. Okay, as well as I will also show you how to use the tradingview.com. Okay, no, Pratap ji, you cannot, this is a copyright material and you cannot copy it. Okay, um Velu Muruganji, for that, kindly just get in touch with your mentor. Okay, kindly just get in touch with your mentor. They will help you out better. Okay, now, um, many of you might be having a smaller screen. Many of you might not be having a desktop. You might be using a laptop, and your screen might be a little small. Now guys, I am sharing my full screen here. Okay, I am sharing my full screen here. Now in case you are facing, you are unable, probably just because the screen can, am I audible now? Am I audible? Now I am connected. It's showing me I'm connected, guys. Okay, so am I audible? Am I audible, right? Am I audible? Yeah. Vishal, can you please help me out here? Yes, Vishal, am I audible and my screen is clearly visible? Yes. Oh, okay, great. So Vishal is confirmed. So I guess there is no issues at my end. There might, there could be a seconds fluctuation here. There could be a seconds fluctuation here. Okay. Now, yes. So in case if you are seeing your screen really small and it's difficult for you to follow, what you can do is you can zoom your screen. You can just zoom your screen. On the left hand side, can you see a recording icon on your screen? On your left hand side top again, can you see a recording icon on your screen? Yes or no? Yes. Just below that, can you see an icon, show view controls? Just below the recording icon on the left hand side top corner, can you see a icon, show view controls? Yes. Click on that icon and you can zoom in and zoom out your screen from there. Are you guys able to follow me? Are we guys together here? Are we guys together here? I'm repeating one more time. Please listen to me very carefully, guys. I'm repeating one more time. Please listen to me very, very carefully. Uh, on the left hand side top corner, can you see a recording icon on your screen? Krishna ji, I'm just repeating it one more time for you. I'm repeating it one more time for you. So on the left hand side top corner, can you see a recording icon? Yes, Krishna ji. Just below that recording icon, you will find show view controls icon. Yes, you will find show view controls icon. Just click on the show view controls icon and you will have zoom in and zoom out option available there. Zoom in and zoom out option available there. So kindly use the zoom in and zoom out option to zoom in and zoom out your screen. Okay, great. So now let's start with the Sharekhan website first. Let's go to sharekhan.com here. Okay, now once you log in into sharekhan.com, just scroll down at the bottom of the page. And at the bottom you will find products here. Can you see? At the bottom, can you see products here? Everyone, yes? No shoes, Rekha ji. No shoes. You don't have Treat Tiger. No shoes. That's what I'm showing you here. Okay. Even if you don't have Sharekhan account, no shoes. Majority of the participants here have Sharekhan account. Few of them do not have Sharekhan account, but then that's not a problem. Whatever we can do it on Sharekhan Trade Tiger, we will be able to do it on tradingview.com. So once I'm done with this, I'll go on to tradingview.com and I'll give you a hands-on experience on tradingview.com. Okay, don't worry about it. Now, under products, can you see Trade Tiger? Under products, can you see Trade Tiger? Just click on Trade Tiger and you will the website will take you to the Sharekhan platform here. Just scroll down a little bit and you will find Trade Tiger 2.6.0 version here. Yes, Trade Tiger 2.6.0.0 here. Are we guys together here? Yes, click on 2.6.0.0. Friends, now this is not the latest version. This is not the latest version. The latest version is 2.6.0.2. Okay, 2.6.0.2. But what you need to do is you need to just download this version first, download and install this version first, and then I'll tell you how to update it to the latest version of the Trade Tiger. Getting my point, everyone? So just click on this Trade Tiger 2.6.0.0 here. Just give me a moment. Sheetalji, no, not now. Okay, not now. After this session, okay, or once I'll give a break, one advanced version. I'm coming to that, Sandeep ji. Just hang on. I'm coming to that. Just scroll down under products, click on Trade Tiger, and in the Trade Tiger, click on Trade Tiger 2.6.0. Yes. Now see here. So you have two versions here, the basic version and the advanced version of the Trade Tiger. Okay, we have the basic version and the advanced version of Trade Tiger. We need to have the advanced version of the Trade Tiger. So whatever tools we will be using, okay, whatever tools we will be using on the Trade Tiger will be on the advanced version of the Trade Tiger. So if you don't have the advanced version of the Trade Tiger, you need to download and install the advanced version of Trade Tiger. Rashmi ji, no need to do that if you have 2.6 version available. Now scroll at the bottom of this, just scroll down a little bit and you will have the operating system here. Okay, you will have the operating system here. Now this is the system requirements. Please go through the system requirements here. Okay, please go through the system requirements. Now guys, there is a very one important announcement that I want to make here. If you are using an old laptop or an old desktop, if you are using an old laptop or an old desktop, then you need to download and install .NET 4.0 version. If you are using a relatively new version, if you are using a relatively new laptop or a desktop, then no need to download it because it's pre-installed with the Windows. But in the old version of your, if you are using an old version of your laptop, then you need to download .NET 4.0, otherwise this Trade Tiger will not work. Sumanta ji, no. For mobile, you need to download the mobile version, Sharekhan app. Okay, Sharekhan app for mobile version. Okay, yes. So first download if you are using an old laptop or an old desktop. If you are having a relatively new one, then directly click to download 2.6.0.0. Okay, clear everyone? Click to download Trade Tiger 2.6.0.0. Am I clear to everyone here? Now, what I do here, let me just copy the link here. So what you can do is you can just click on the link here. Okay, that's the link, guys. Just directly click on the link and you will be directed directly onto this page. I've copied the link here. I've copied the link in the chat box. Kindly copy it from the chat box and directly paste it on your browser, and you will be guided towards this page only. Now, once I have downloaded and installed the Trade Tiger here, once I have downloaded and installed the Trade Tiger, you can see icon somewhat like this. Can you see the icon, the Trade Tiger icon on my screen? I really apologize, guys. My desktop, it's so messy. I want to clear this out, but somehow, yes, but can everyone see this? Sher Khan icon, Trade Tiger icon on my desktop. I've selected that. Yes, if you can follow my cursor. Yes. Okay. Now just double click on it. Now all those who have already installed, if you have already installed the Trade Tiger, what you need to do is just double click on the Trade Tiger. Just double click on the Trade Tiger. Yes, and you will see this page here. Yes, absolutely. Yes, Jairamji, please do not download and install it right now. Please do it later. Okay, please do it later. Now, once you can see this screen, you need to enter your login ID and password. Just give me a second, friends. Just give me a second. Yes. Okay. Now, what you need to do is you need to enter your login ID and password. So I've entered my login ID. No, Maithili ji, my OTA password is different, and Maithili ji, so if do you have a Sher Khan account here? Do you have a Sher Khan account with you, Maithili ji? Yes, so you might be having your user ID and password, no? Okay, so I've entered my membership password and I've entered my trading password and click on login. Velu Murugan ji, then there is some internet connectivity issues at your end. If it is not getting downloaded, so don't try and do it right now. I will be giving you time. Okay, don't worry. I'll be giving you time. I'll be giving you 10 to 15 minutes. In that time, what you can do is you can just try and download. Okay. Rahul ji, you can choose any server you want. Okay, you can choose any server you want. I would suggest choose server number 9. It's not like 9 is my favorite number. It's like I generally use 7 or 9, and it generally gets connected. Okay, so use 7 or 9. They are not my favorite numbers. It's just that I've used them 7, 9 or 11 odd numbers, and most of the times you will get connected with using odd numbers 7, 9 or 11. Try these three, you will definitely get connected. Okay, now once you log in into your Trade Tiger, this is your landing page. Okay, once you log in into your Trade Tiger, this will be your landing page. Now see here, the first icon is your home icon. Can you see it? So Deepak ji, it's automatic for you. Okay, it's automatic for you. Once the automatic system fails, Deepak ji, only then it will allow you to choose a server, Deepak ji. Else it will automatically get you connected with the with the server which is up. Okay, so you need not to select it anything as of now. Just try and log in. Okay, just try and log in. It will automatically select server for you. If for any reason it gets failed, okay, the automatic server selection, for any reason if it gets failed, then the system will allow you to select a specific server for you. Getting my point, everyone? So you need not to select the servers, guys. System will automatically select the server which is up and working. Clear? Yes. Preeti ji, don't worry. I have already announced this. If you don't have Sharekhan account, don't worry. Please don't worry. Okay, if you don't have a Sharekhan account, I'm repeating it 2-3 times now. If you don't have Sharekhan account, don't worry. I will be sharing, I will be sharing tradingview.com with everyone, and that's equally usable. That's, at equally at par with Sharekhan Trade Tiger. Okay. Don't worry, don't do it right now, guys. Please don't do it. I've repeated this thing quite a number of times now. Please don't try to do it. I know, Gajendran ji, please don't do it. I'll be giving you time, then only you should do it. Okay, do it after the session, please, guys. Everyone, please, I request, please don't try to do it right now. Okay, now see here, go to home. Okay, the first icon is home. Now let's try and surf through. Let's try and see the various tabs, various icons of the Trade Tiger here. Yes, now first icon, it's home. Now under home you will see log off and exit. Okay, under home you will see log off and exit. Now after log off and exit, we know what is log off and exit. That's a normal terminology. Log off and exit, that's the normal terminology here. Now market watch, the next icon is the market watch. Can everyone see here what is market watch? Can everyone see here the market watch here in the home tab? Are we guys together here? Absolutely. Now market watch we will understand in the market watch tab. Okay, just beside the home tab, if you see on the top of my screen, just beside the home tab, it's the market watch tab. So market watch we will see in the market watch tab. Charts we will see in the market watch tab. Now the important icons, let me explain you the important icons of the home tab here. The first important icon is the themes. Now themes, as of now I'm using black theme. Apart from that, you have 3 other themes available. Blue theme, this is how a blue theme looks like. Then you have orange theme. Now this is how the orange theme looks like. And then you have the silver theme, and this is how a silver theme looks like. So I'm used to black theme, and that's the reason I choose black theme. It looks nice and vibrant. Okay, it looks nice and vibrant, so that's the reason I use black theme. Okay, and this Sharekhan Trade Tiger is available in 5 languages. Sharekhan is available in 5 languages: English, Gujarati, Hindi, Marathi, and Tamil. Okay, these are the 5 languages wherein the English is by default. Wherein English is by default. Now, apart from that, layout. The next icon. So, is this thing clear? Are we guys together here till languages? Are we guys together here till languages? Yes. Okay. So I have few hands raised. It's Manik ji, Sarala Priya ji, Karena Nath ji, Tarun ji, Tiruvasi ji. So you guys have raised your hand. Sapna ji, Sachin ji, you guys have raised your hand. Basan ji, any questions here? You guys have raised your hand. Any questions here? If you don't have any questions, please lower down your hands, guys. Okay, please lower down your hands if you don't have any question. Okay. Okay, so we are together till this point. Now let's move ahead to layout. Now layout I'll be explaining you after some time. Okay, I'll be explaining you layout after some time. Okay, I'll tell you how layout works. Now another important part here is fund transfer, because without having funds you will not be able to trade, isn't it? Without having funds you will not be able to trade. So we need to understand, we need to know how to transfer funds in my Trade Tiger account, in my Sharekhan account. Now this is online, guys. Okay, this is online, and you so there are there are two facilities available here. One is the online facility. As of now, I will I will urge everyone to use the online facility, because going out of home as of now it's not safe. But yes, there is one more facility, which is you can write a check in the name of Sharekhan. Okay, you can write a check in the name of Sharekhan and it will get deposited in your account. But for that you need to go to Sharekhan branch. Okay, for that you need to go to Sharekhan branch. For that you need to step out of your home. I don't want that as of now. Please don't step out of your home as of now. Okay, it's quite easily manageable through online fund transfer. Now click on fund transfer here. Rekha ji, please get in touch with your RM. They will give you the NEFT details. Okay, please get in touch with your RM. Now click on fund transfer, and within the Trade Tiger, the system will open the fund transfer page here. We'll come to that point, Prashantji. Okay, don't worry. We'll come to that point. I'll be covering each and everything from very scratch. Don't worry. So once you click on fund transfer, guys, I guess there is some server maintenance that is going on, and that's the reason this fund transfer is not opening here. Okay, that's the reason. Some I guess some maintenance activity is going on, so that's the reason this fund transfer is not opening up. What you can do is, there is another option that I'll tell you. Log in into just go to sharekhan.com and log in into your account. Okay, just log in into your account. Okay, so same user ID and password. It's coming properly. Okay, so somehow it's not coming on my screen. So somehow it's not coming on my screen. It's not visible on my TT. Okay, no issues. But guys, you will be seeing the same screen. Okay, the same screen that I'll show you here, you will be seeing the same screen here. Yes, Rekha ji, you can use, because these are two different this thing apps. One is your laptop. One version it's downloaded on your laptop, and the other version is on your mobile. So you can use on laptop as well as on mobile. But the functions, the tools that you have it on your laptop will not be available on the mobile version. Please make this very very clear, guys, that the tools that are available on the Trade Tiger app on the laptop or on the desktop, the tools are not available on mobile. Okay, so there it's a restricted app on mobile. Now here, just go to accounts. Yes, and in accounts you will have this fund transfer tab. You will have this fund transfer tab, so you will see the same page on the Trade Tiger. Okay, so now it has opened here as well. You can see in the Trade Tiger it's the same screen that is opened here on the Trade Tiger itself. Now, bank to equity, bank to IPO, bank to mutual fund, NEFT, RTGS. So you will also get the details of NEFT and RTGS here. Now enter the amount. Let's suppose 1 lakh. So from HDFC Bank, so whatever bank that you have linked your Trade Tiger account with or Sharekhan account with, so the name of the bank will be available here. So you need to select that bank and equity trading account, and then you need to click on the payment mode here. I'm using the net banking method here. Okay, I'll be using the net banking. So as soon as you click on submit, the Trade Tiger will take you to the bank's website. There what you need to do is you need to just enter your login ID and password of your bank account. Okay, and you can just simply transfer funds in your account. Am I clear here? Can we change linked account online? No, it's online, it's not possible, Chandraji. For that you need to get in touch with your RM. For that you need to just get in touch with your RM. Okay, so yes, it's a simple process here. Are we guys together? Simple process. Any confusions here as far as fund transfers are concerned? Any confusions here as far as fund transfer is concerned? Vishalji, not as of now. I'm just trying to tell you here. Okay, I'm just trying to tell you here. This is the process that you need to do if you need to transfer funds in your account. Okay, you need to do it right now or you want to do it after some time, that's your call. What is the difference between bank to IPO? The money will get allocated to the IPO account, Preeti ji. Okay, MF means the money will get allocated to the mutual fund account. NEFT RTGS means you can do NEFT and RTGS directly to your account. Okay, I'm just explaining the process here. Absolutely, Mr. Joseph. How to reverse? Now see here, just below that, can you see withdraw cash? Can you see withdraw cash here? Equity to bank account, mutual fund to bank account, or IPO to bank account. That's how you can reverse the, that's how you can shift your money from Trade Tiger account to the back to your bank account. Okay, it has certain timings, so you can see the timings here. Okay, just scroll down a little bit and you will have the withdrawal timings here. So just try and adhere to these withdrawal timings and you will be getting the funds accordingly. Clear, everyone? Can you see this withdrawal timings, everyone? Yeah. Okay, Juhi ji, please watch the recording once. I have seen your question. It's not like I'm ignoring your question, Juhi ji. It's a very, very simple process. Just watch the recording and it will be clear for you. Okay, it will be clear for you. It's a very, very simple process, and you can also take the help of your RM as well in getting funds transferred. So it's not a very critical thing. Okay, now after fund transfer, now here there is one thing that I want you guys to understand, which is this view demo. Can you see here view demo? These are the updated timings, Rekha ji. Yes, these are the timings that we follow. Can everyone see this view demo here? Yes. Now this icon you will find on every tab. On every tab, be it home tab, market watch tab, reports tab, tools, news and events, every tab you will have this view demo icon. Now view demo icon means it will explain you some of the important icons on the current tab. Okay, it will explain, it will have demo videos. Can you see? It will have demo videos of some of the important tabs or some of the important icons on that tab. Getting my point, everyone? So you will have, so in case you want to explore more, in case you want to explore more beyond what I have taught you, now I'm teaching you only, I'm sharing only those tabs or those icons which are useful to us. Okay, which are absolutely useful, without which we will not be able to trade properly. So all these icons that I will be explaining it to you will be absolutely mandatory necessary. Beyond that, if you want to explore more, you can use the videos to explore more. Are we guys together here? Okay, now let's go on to the market watch tab. Now in the market watch, now here guys, very important, please listen to me very carefully. No more questions here. I'll give you time to ask questions. Okay, don't worry, I will give you time, proper time to ask questions. After every 2-3 icons I ask you, do we have any queries or questions? At that time you can ask me as many questions as you want. Okay, but as of now, just concentrate here. Now this is a very important tab here. Now under the market watch tab, can you see on the left hand side blank market watch here written? Can you see blank market watch? Yes, everyone? Yeah. Okay, now blank market watch, once you click on the blank market watch, it will give you two options. It will give you two options here. Open as local. Okay, can you see two options here? Open as local, open as global. Yes. Now what do you mean by open as local? Open as local means the market watch that you will be saving will get saved on your desktop that you are using or laptop that you are using. Okay, now here there is no restriction. You can save as many market watches as you want, and you can have as many stocks in your market watch. 100, 200, 500, as many stocks as you want, you can save on your market watch. Okay, now open as global means the market watch that you are saving will get saved on your ID, will be saved on your Sharekhan login ID. Now the login ID, if you use that login ID from some other system, through some other system, you will be able to access your global market watch. Okay, but global market watch has certain restrictions. What are those restrictions? View on any desktop machine. Now advantage is you can watch it on any desktop machine. Your market watch can be viewable from any desktop or laptop, but only 5 market watch can be saved. Only 5 market watch can be saved with 50 scripts in each, which means a total of not more than 250 scripts you can save. 5 market watch with 50 stocks in each. Okay, so generally we use one laptop or one desktop only, so majority of the times we will be using open as local. Okay, majority of the times we will be using open as local. So click on open as local, click on the radio button, open as local, and click on OK. Okay, so now this is my blank market watch. Can you see here, market watch dash 0? This is my blank market watch. Now market watch is just like a blackboard, guys. Market watch is just like a blackboard. You can write whatever you want. Similarly, market watch is just like a blackboard here in the Trade Tiger, on which you can add as many scripts as you want. Okay, you can you can add as many stocks or script as you want. Now how to add them, let's see this. Now again, go to market watch and click on the second icon here, which is add script. Can you see it, guys? Yes, can you see it? Add script. Okay, so now click on add script. Once you click on add script, this is a small window that will open up here. Okay, a small window that will open up here. At the top of that, you can see equities, derivative, currency, commodities, bond, indices. Yes, can you see the various tabs here? Can you see the various tabs here? Equities, derivatives, currency, commodities, bonds, indices. Now if I want to add equity, okay, if I want to add equity stocks, I will be clicking on equity. If I want to add futures and options, if I want to add futures and options, then I will be clicking on derivatives. If I want to add currency, I will be clicking on currency, forex. If I want to add any commodity, I will be clicking on the commodity icon. Now as of now, this program focuses deeply on equity segment. Now click on equity and exchange. Can you see NSE, BSE both? NSE, BSE both. Can you see this, everyone? Yeah, NSE, BSE both. Click on NSE because majority of the times we use NSE. It's the same thing. Damoji, script or stock is the same thing. Yes, so click on NSE and type a name here. Click on NSE and type a name here. Now let's type ICICI Bank. Yes, I've typed ICICI Bank here. The first is ICICI Bank, add. Can you see ICICI Bank is added on the background here? Now HDFC, I've typed HDFC here. The first option is HDFC, add. Similarly TCS, add. Infosys, just type Infi and add. Tata Steel, add. Reliance, add. VDL, Vedanta, add. Getting my point, everyone? HDFC stock, there are a couple same name exist. Rajendran ji, then you are using both option. Okay, then you are using both option. Now if I use both option, that's how you can that's how you are able to see, right, Gajendran ji? So if I type HDFC here, I'll be having two scripts, right? I'll be having two scripts. Now just click on NSE. So you will be having only NSE stocks. Only NSE stocks. Okay, HDFC. Clear, everyone? How to add the stocks? How to add the stocks? Any questions here? Yes, friends, any questions here? Clear? Okay, now once we have added our market watch, once we have added stocks in our market watch, we need to save our market watch. Very, very important, guys. Very, very important that we need to save our market watch. I'll come to that point, Basanji. Just hang on. So how to save it? Go to market watch and after add script, can you see save option here, everyone? After market watch, can you see save option here? Now click on the save option, click on the save option, and without changing the default folder, please friends, don't change the default folder. Okay, don't change the default folder. Now without changing the default folder, give it a give your market watch a name. So this is May English batch, so let me give May 20, it's 2020 English. Yes, May 20 English, and save. I'm using local. Now I can see the name of my market watch is now changed to May 20 English. May 20 English. Am I clear here? Now even if I close this, I need to go to market watch, click on load, go to market watch, click on load, and May 20 English, open. Clear? Everyone, clear guys? Okay, let's go to the next tab now. Okay, so uh, we have learned how to add the market watch, how we have learned how to open a new market watch, and we have also learned how to add scripts, and we have also learned how to save the market watch, now before we go ahead, before we proceed to the next tab here or to the next icon here, what we can do is, okay, let's do one thing. Let me first finish this market watch tab, and then we will go on a break. Okay, let me just finish this. There are few icons here that I need, that I want you guys to understand here. No, once you have saved this, Vishalji, you don't need to save it again and again. Now, okay, now apart from the market watch that you have it, apart from the market watch that you have created for yourself, predefined market watch. You also have predefined market watch. So go to market watch, and you can see NSC here. Can you see NSC here? Under NSC, once you click on NSC, you will have the predefined market watch list. So if you don't want to create your own market watch, you need to, you can open a predefined market watch. Now predefined market watch lists have certain segments here available. Now other list Am I audible now? Am I audible now? I apologize, friends. Friends, I apologize. Uh, I think I got disconnected. Now, is the audio and the video clear to everyone? Is the audio and the video clear to everyone? Yes? Okay. Great. Great. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I apologize for this disconnection, guys. Yeah. So now we have certain predefined market watch lists here. We have certain predefined market watch lists here. Now others, big trade list, big trade plus, ETF, NSE pre-open, these are some of the market watch list, predefined market watch list. Broad market indices, now we have Nifty 50 stocks which comprise of Nifty 50, that's the index stocks. Then we have Nifty 100, then we have Nifty 200. Nifty 200 contains of 200 stocks, Nifty 100 contains of top 100 stocks, Nifty 500, then Nifty next 50. Okay, these are various market watch lists that you can use. Then sectoral indices, Nifty auto, Nifty bank, Nifty FMCG, these are some sector related indices. Then we have thematic indices available, Nifty liquid 15, then Nifty energy, Nifty commodities, Nifty consumption. Okay, and then we have strategy indices, Nifty 50 value 20, Nifty growth sector 15. So these are some of the predefined market watch list that we use. Now regularly on a regular basis we use big trade list or big trade plus. Okay, these are various types of Akash Bhalekarji, these are various types of indices. Okay, these are various types of indices. The theme based, basically these are theme based. Theme based means the theme is on commodity, or the theme is consumption, or the theme is infra. Okay, so on the basis of that. Now regularly what we will be using, I'm coming to that point, Hemji. Okay, Damo Hemji, I'm coming to that point. So regularly we will be using big trade and big trade and big trade plus. Big trade means all those stocks wherein intraday trading is allowed. All those stocks are listed in big trade list wherein Sher Khan allows you to do intraday trading. Similarly we have big trade plus. Similarly, we have big trade plus wherein again intraday trading is allowed. So you will be using either big trade list or big trade plus. Getting my point, everyone? So in big trade list and big trade plus list, Sher Khan allows you to trade intraday. So Mantra ji, I will tell you the difference. Okay, I'll tell you the difference when we'll come on to the trading part of it. I will be clearing the difference. Okay, don't worry, I'll be clearing the difference. What is the difference between big trade and big trade plus? Okay, so these are some of the predefined market watch list. Then similarly we have BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. Then we have FNO stock list. These are the stocks which are available in futures and options. And MCX, these are the commodity market watch list. Okay, these are the commodity market watch list. Now another important point here is please make sure that you are concentrated here, friends. Please make sure that you are concentrated here. Market depth, can you see here market depth? Everyone, I have selected that icon right now. Can you see market depth here? Yeah, now click on the market depth. Market depth will show you the first 5 buyers and sellers, top 5 buyers and top 5 sellers here. Can you see the top 5 buyers here? Can you see the top 5 buyers here? Bid and ask. Okay, bid means I'm bidding to buy. Okay, bid means I'm bidding to buy. Ask means I am selling it. Okay, I'm bidding to sell. Bid means I'm bidding to buy. Ask means I'm bidding to sell. Okay, so Market depth shows you the top 5 buyers. Bid means I'm putting a quote. I'm giving a quote. I'm putting a quote into the system. For example, I want to buy TCS at 1921. Okay, Varsha ji, I want to buy certain quantities. Let's suppose X quantities of TCS at 1921. So I have put a bid into the market. Okay, I've put a bid into the market. Now if there is a seller at 1921, if there is a seller at 1921, what will happen? The buyers and the sellers will meet. Am I clear here? Okay, so that's what is market depth is. Now, okay, again, if you can see view demo icon here, can you please see the view demo icon here? You need to repeat it one more time. Okay, I'll repeat it one more time. Again, now this is view demo. Now if you want to explore more, you have demo videos here in view demo. If you want to explore more, you have view demo videos in every tab, and now this is the view demo tab icon for market watch tab. Now let me explain market depth one more time. Now as soon as you click on the market depth, how to get onto the market depth? Go to market watch, and in the settings tab you will have market depth. Can you see, everyone? Can you see market depth? Click on market depth and you will have this window here which will show you top 5 buyers and top 5 sellers here. Yes, Muruganji, you can watch it. Arumugamji, you can watch view demo videos after the market hours as well. After the markets are closed, you can watch it. Okay, Arumugamji. Now, this is market depth, and here you will have top 5 bid quantities and top 5 ask quantities. Okay, or offer. They are also called as offer. Bid means buy quantity. Ask or offer means sell quantity. I am offering for sell. Okay. Bidding means I'm bidding to buy. Offer means I'm offering to sell. This is the market depth of TCS. So on whichever stock or script you will click. Now if I click on Tata Steel and I'll go to market watch and click on market depth, I will get the market depth of Tata Steel. This is the market depth of Tata Steel. Can you see on the top it's written Tata Steel. Okay. Clear, everyone? So these are some of the important icons in market watch tab. Okay friends, these are some of the important icons in the market watch tab. Clear? Now let's take a break here. Krishna ji, we'll come to that later. As of now, I'm just giving you a demo of the Trade Tiger. That's it. Okay. As of now, I have just given you the demo of the Trade Tiger. That's it. I'm just giving you a demo. I'm doing nothing else. I'm not explaining any concepts here. Can we open multiple market watch? Absolutely, you can open multiple market watch, Chandraji. Now see here. So one is my market watch that I have saved. I can open more market watch here. So big trade list. See, I can open big trade list. Then I want to open big trade plus. See, I can open big trade plus as well. So you can open multiple market watch lists here. Okay. Now let's take a 10 minutes quick break, and after the break what we will do, we will carry on with the Trade Tiger. That is Sumanta ji, that is in global market watch. Okay, that is in global. This is local. So let's take a break here. Okay, let's take a break here for 10 minutes, and after the break, we will continue with the rest of the icons here. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Okay, welcome back, friends. Am I audible to everyone? Welcome back, friends. Am I audible to everyone? Yeah. Okay, so before we go on to the next tab, do we have any questions here? Before we go on to the next tab, do we have any questions here? How to save the market watch? Okay, Krishna ji, how to save the market watch? For that, what you need to do is go to market watch. Go to market watch. Krishna ji, I'm showing it to you very quickly. Please concentrate here. Just go to the market watch, and can you see save here? Yes, can you see save here? Just click on save and give it a name. Please don't change the default folder. Okay, please don't change the default folder. Give it a file name and click on save. Okay, your market watch will get saved. Can we import our live stocks with Sher Khan in market watch? Live stocks means, Pratap ji, live stocks means the demat with any other broker that you're talking about. You have a demat with any other broker and you want to transfer that to Sher Khan. That's what you mean? The portfolio stocks with Sher Khan. So what do you? Acha, okay. So the stocks that you have in your demat, you want to add the same stocks in your market watch, isn't that? Isn't it? Yes. So what you can do is you can just, okay, good. So this is your demat. Okay, let's suppose this is your demat. Now we don't have a stock here. Okay, this is your demat. Now here what you can do is you can just right click and you can just simultaneously you can add scripts here. Okay, so you have opened your DPSR, you have opened your demat here, and simultaneously you are also adding scripts here. So you can see the name of the script and you can simultaneously add. Okay, now let's go on to the no more questions. So let's go on to the next tab, which is reports tab. Next tab is reports tab. Now under reports tab, now concentrate here. This is very, very important, friends. Concentrate here. This is very, very important. Now reports tab, in the first icon is orders. In the reports tab, the first icon is orders. Click on orders. Now order window, this order window tells you that whatever order that you have placed in the system, whatever order that you have placed in the system, whether it is executed or whether the order is pending. Okay, whether the order is executed or whether the order is pending, you will see all those orders here in the order window. You will see all those orders here in the order window. Similarly, after orders you have net position. Yes, after orders you have net position. So click on net position, and now in the net position window, you will have all the orders which are executed. You will have all the orders which are executed. In the net position window, you will have all the orders that are executed. Pending orders will not be shown here. Pending orders will be shown, pending orders or all the types of orders will be shown in the order window. In net position, only the executed orders will be seen. Then again, reports tab, limit statement. Now in the limit statement, you will have the limits that you have in your account, the money that you have in your account, the money that you have utilized, if there is some pending settlement which is there. So everything will be seen here in the cash limit statement. Okay, everything will be here in the cash limit statement. So the funds that you have it in your account, or the funds that you have utilized in any of the trade, or there is some settlement which is here. So all that you will be getting in here. Krishna ji, it's not that necessary, because you know it will just be having your funds and the margins that you have used. Okay, so current cash balance means the balance that you have it. Okay, the amount that you have it in your account. Pending withdrawal request. Now if you have put any pending withdrawal request, it will be shown here. Non-cash limit, it's a separate thing. Non-cash limit means non-cash limit is generally when you get a limit from your broker. Okay, non-cash limit is when you get a limit from your broker. So not every time your broker will be giving you some it's under some special request that you know the non-cash limit is being provided by the broker. Okay, not every time. Limit against shares means the shares are being deposited with the broker. The shares are being deposited with the broker, and against your shares the broker will be giving you margin. Okay, the broker will be giving you margin against your share you have in your demat. Then previous settlement, if you have, so if you have some previous settlement, then intraday limit for futures. So all these things are here in the limit statement, wherein you will find all the you know cash related items or the fund related items here. Okay, all the fund related items here you will find. Now after limit statement you have DPSR. DPSR, it's nothing but depository participants and share receivable. DPSR means depository participant and share receivable. It's nothing but your demat. Okay, it's nothing but your demat. The stocks that you hold for longer time, the stocks that you hold for long time will be shown here in the DPSR. Yes. Okay, that's it. These are the important icons under the cash tab. Okay, these are the important icons under the cash tab. Any confusions, any questions here? Okay, unsettled positions, Chandraji. Unsettled positions means that you have bought some shares, Okay, you have bought some shares, but the shares are under receivable now. You have not received the shares. Okay, so the position is unsettled as of now. Once you will receive the shares, once you have received the shares, it will be settled. Same with selling as well. You have sold certain shares, you will sold certain shares until and unless the cash is being settled. Until and unless the cash is being settled, it will show as unsettled. What is EMF? EMF is exchange margin funding, Rekha ji. Okay, it's the facility provided by the exchange. It's the facility, new facility which is being provided by the exchange. Here you will get a margin. Okay, here you get a margin of 4 to 5 times from the exchange. Okay, margin means leverage. Margin means leverage. Suppose we do not provide cash for a buy, whether the exchange will sell the shares and adjust the cash? Absolutely yes. It's not the exchange that will do that. It will be your broker. Okay, Krishna ji, exchange accepts the entire amount. Okay, exchange will accept the entire amount. It's the facility of your broker, that broker will give you that leverage. Getting my point? Broker will give you the leverage. What is the time period for settlement? It's generally, for buy it's generally T plus 2 day. For settlement it's generally T plus 2 day. Trade day plus 2 more days. Can you please share one example with margin cash limit? What kind of an example you want me to show you, Varsha ji? It's simple, Varsha ji. Once you start trading, no, all these things are very, very simple. Okay, need not to concentrate here or invest your time much on these points, because you just need to know this limit statement. It will show you all the fund related things here. What are your funds? Have you utilized your funds somewhere, or there are some unsettled cash which is here? So everything, it's like a ledger. Okay, it's like a ledger. Now there is one more thing which I want you guys to understand, which is more important. Under reports, now directly go to transaction report. Can you see transaction report here? Cash limit can be utilized. Which cash limit, Krishna ji? Cash limit is basically the funds that you have it in your account, no? Can we use EMF if cash is there in account? Yes. Okay, now go to reports and go to transaction reports here. Okay, go to reports and go to transaction reports here. Under transaction reports, you will have various options available. I'll show you what various options do we have and which icon is more important here. Let me just show you here. Okay, yes, it's not coming up for me. It's not coming up, guys. So let's do one thing. I'll explain it later. Okay, I'll explain this later. The transaction reports. I'll explain this later. As of now, it's not opening up. It's opening in your Trade Tiger, guys. Anyone can open this transaction report as of now. Some error it's showing. Okay, it's not opening at all in my system. Okay, no issues. It's opening in your system. Okay, okay, so somehow it's not opening here in my browser. Okay, so some problem with my this thing here. It's not opening up. No issues, guys. What we'll do is what we will be doing is I'll explain this later. Okay, once it's opened up, I'll explain this later to you. Okay, so let me just click on this transaction report, and once it's open, then I'll explain it to you. Okay, so that is all as far as the reports tab are concerned. That is all. So Chandra ji, get in touch with the IT team. They will help you out with this. Okay, so that is it as far as the reports tab is concerned. Any confusions? Any confusions here on the reports tab here? Okay, now let's go on to the next tab, which is news and event. Now this is again a very important tab here. Now if you guys see, if I just go on to the market watch here, big trade list, see, can you see the news and event column here? Can you see the event column, news and event column here? Yes or no, everyone? Can you see the news and event column here, everyone? So you will have this news and event column on all the market watch list you have. See, if I just go on to the market watch list that we have saved, you have news and event column here, and in Reliance, can you see we have a news here in Reliance? Yes, in Reliance we have a news. So just click on news here. Just click on news here, and you can see it's General Atlantic invests 6,500, 6,600 crores in Geo platform. Can you see this news? So it's very important to be updated with the stock news, guys. And Sharekhan gives you a very handy option here. It gives you a very handy option here. So all the earning reports or news that are available in any of the stock, it will get displayed here in news and event column. So you can directly watch or access the news from here. So you can just click on this and it will give you a brief snapshot of the news here. Oh, Sandeep ji. Oh, excellent, Sandeep ji. Yes. So all these options that you have, all news, FNA, fundamental news and analysis, then earnings watch, yes, corporate actions, everything will be displayed here in news and events. So it's very handy here. It's very handy here. You can just directly see. So now if you click on big trade list and you want to see all those stocks having news, just click on news and event. Just click on news and event, and all those stocks having any news or event will be on the top. Yes, all those news and event, you can have it. You can see all those stocks that are having news and events here. So just click on news and events and it will sort according to the news and event. Yes, so if you see Torrent Power, it's the earnings here in Torrent Power. So click on the earnings. Yes, and now you can see it's awaited. As of now, the status is awaited. Yes, so it's the earnings that are today for Torrent Power. Similarly, apart from Reliance, you have news in Cipla. So click on the news icon and you will see what news is there. So Cipla files ANDA for generic version of GSK's Adavir Discus. So that's the news. Okay, that's the news that is there in Cipla. So that's this icon, it's very very handy, and you can have all the news and events in one column. Result dates, how to get it? Okay, Rekha ji, for that you can just go to the BSc website. It's very very handy. Okay, just go to BSc's website. It's very very handy. You can download the entire Excel sheet from there. Okay. After news and events, then we have research. Can you see the research option here, everyone? Yes, in the research option. Okay, we don't have anything here. Okay, we don't have anything here. Then okay, so as far as the important options are concerned, I have covered all the important tabs here, guys. Okay, I have covered all the important tabs here. There is just one tab which I will not be able to complete in 10 minutes time. Okay, it's 12:50. I will not be able to complete it in 10 minutes time. It's the settings tab. Okay, it's the settings tab. So Ignite tab, I will be explaining the Ignite tab. Don't, okay, I'll be explaining the Ignite tab, don't worry. As of now I'm not explaining the Ignite tab. Reason being, many of you might not be having the Ignite tab, isn't it? Many of you might not be having the Ignite tab, and that's the reason I'm not explaining the Ignite tab right now. But as we move along, as we move ahead, I will be explaining you the Ignite tab. Okay, I will be explaining. As of now, we don't require Ignite tab, guys. Okay, now let's do one thing. Will you repeat the first 15-20 minutes detailing of today, as many of us have missed it because of the web problems? Krishna ji, what you can do is you can just watch the recording. Any which ways are available. Watch the recording, and in case you have a question, you have a doubt, please note them down. Okay, and ask me in tomorrow's session. So first 15-20 minutes I will give you time to ask questions of the previous topic. Okay, to activate Ignite, you have to get in touch with your mentor. Okay, you have to get in touch with your mentor. Now let's do one thing. So we have 10 minutes available. What we can do here, let's try and familiarize ourselves with tradingview.com. Okay, let's try and familiarize ourselves with tradingview.com. Okay guys, now the homework for today is, if you don't have Trade Tiger application installed on your desktop or laptop, you will be downloading and installing the Trade Tiger software on your desktop first. Second, everyone will create an account on tradingview.com. Everyone will create an account on tradingview.com. Now this is the website here. Type tradingview.com. Okay, so I have already created my account here. You need to create your account. Okay, you need to create your account here. Now see here. So this is how your tradingview.com looks like. We will be able to trade through TradingView? No, Deepak Rai ji, you will not be able to trade through TradingView. It's just that to understand and to learn markets, first of all, I'm using tradingview.com till and until you have till and until you have Sharekhan account. If you have Sharekhan account, you can continue using Trade Tiger. If you don't have Sharekhan account, then you can use TradingView. But for everyone, TradingView is it's a good website. Okay, you can use it. It's a very handy website. Now, once you have created an account, so everyone will create an account in TradingView.com. Am I are we guys together here? Are we guys together here? Yes, everyone will create an account with TradingView.com. Now, if I want to open a stock here, now can you see ticker here? Can you see ticker written here? Gunwant ji, you just need to click on login. Okay, just it's a simple website registration. Okay, it will just ask you your email ID. That's all. Okay, you just need to have a email ID, a valid email ID on which it will send you the OTP. And once you get the OTP, one-time password, you can just log in into your account and you can create your accounts. It's normal, website registration. Nothing very hi-fi here. Now everyone can see ticker here. In the ticker, let's add Reliance. Okay, let's type Reliance. Now as soon as you type Reliance, the first one you will get Reliance Industries, and see here it's written stock NSE. Okay, no need to subscribe, Gopalaji. As of now, no need to subscribe. Please don't waste your money. Okay, please, no need to subscribe. It's a free website. As of now, you can just create your account, simple account, that's it. Okay, no need to subscribe or no need to buy the subscription, not required. Okay, yes. Now go to Reliance Industries, the first option. Go to Reliance Industries and you can see the chart here of Reliance Industry. Can you see the chart here of Reliance Industry? Yes. Absolutely, yes, Deepak ji. You will be able to use the Ignite tool through Trade Tiger. It's fine to use the no, use Trade Tiger because it's more robust, it's more handy. Reddy ji. Okay, MS Reddy ji, it's more handy, and moreover, you will be having the Ignite tool on the Trade Tiger only, not on the web version. Okay, on the app version only. Okay, so can you see the Reliance stock chart here? Now to get the full featured chart, can you see guys full featured chart here? Mr. Reddy, please don't worry. After the session, please take the help of the IT team. Can you see full featured chart here? Okay, click on the full featured chart here and you will be getting a full view screen of the chart here. Yes, Sachinji, I'll tell you. Don't worry. Okay, I'll tell you. So you will be getting the chart of Reliance Industries here. As of now, it's not opening up. I don't know what is happening here, but it's not opening up. But what you need to do is, guys, I guess there might be the connection might have become slow. As of now, it was working fine. It might have become slow as of now. Let me just try and reopen it. So for today, as of now, what you need to do is you just need to create an account. You need to set up your details or account with tradingview.com, and as we go along, I will be giving you a more hands-on experience on TradingView. Okay, I'll be giving you more hands-on experience on TradingView. Now, last but not the least, let me just tell you how to update your Trade Tiger to the latest version. Okay, now the latest version, guys. Okay, so I wasn't aware the latest version now it's 2.6.0.3, not 0.2. I told you 2.6.0.2. Now the latest version has come, and which is 2.6.0.3. Now how to update it? Go to settings. Go to settings, and in the settings, can you see check updates here? Can you see check updates here? Yes, no, everyone? Can you see check updates here? Click on check updates. Click on check updates. If you have any update here, you will see it here. Yes, 2.6.0.3 is the latest version. So if you have any update here, you will be able to see that update here in this window. Okay. So what you need to do is I'm explaining it one more time. Go to settings, and under settings you have check updates. No, Sunil ji, for that you have to subscribe it. Only then you will be able to. You can place orders through TradingView. Okay, they are the brokers as well. Okay, they are the brokers as well, but for that you have to pay them. Okay, it's a paid website to use the order facility. Placing order facility, it's through paid version. As of now, we are not paying them. Okay, we are just using the normal website of TradingView in order to learn trading first. Okay, in order to learn the trading first. Okay, are we guys together here? You can't see the version. Okay, it's at the bottom of your screen. If you have logged into your Trade Tiger, at the bottom, can you see your name displayed? Can you see your name displayed at the bottom? Yes, just beside your name, you will find the customer ID. Just beside the name, you will have the customer ID, and just beside that, you will find the version here. Can you see? Just below that, you will find the version at the bottom. Yeah, if it shows 2.6.0.0, then you need to update it. Okay, so how to update it? Go to settings, and under settings, you will have check updates. No problem, Prashant. If you don't have Trade Tiger account, what you need to do is you need to set up an account with TradingView by today itself. Okay, by today itself, you will be setting up an account with tradingview.com. Ashok ji, get in touch with your mentor. They will help you out in this. Okay, so guys, that's it from my end. I really apologize on behalf of the entire team. I really apologize because of the internet connectivity issues that I had today. Okay, actually everything was working fine till 11 o'clock, and as soon as I started the session, there was some internet connectivity issues. Everything was working fine. It's just this Blackboard was not working for me. Okay, this was just that Blackboard was not working for me. Thank you so much, Jayaramji. You have taken so much pain to type the entire thing. Thank you so much. Okay, so I hope we'll not be having any connectivity issues from tomorrow onwards. Okay, I will not be having any connectivity issues. I actually tested my login at 10:30, and at 10:30 everything was working fine. Okay, at 10:30 everything was working fine, but suddenly at 11 o'clock there was some connectivity issues. But from tomorrow onwards, actually I have 2-3 backup connections with me, and that's the reason I'm able to conduct the session now. Okay, because I'm using the third backup connection that I have. One is my main connection, second my backup, third backup. So I'm using my second backup connection today, the third connection. Okay guys, so because we all are using home networks, and it's very this is something I hope you guys understand. This is something which is beyond my control. I can have backup connections, but they need to work. Okay. Yes. Now, please go and watch the recordings for today. Please go and watch the recordings for today. I hope from tomorrow onwards there will be no technical glitches from my end. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. It was very lovely talking to every one of you. There is one more thing towards the end that I want to announce. Please have from tomorrow onwards, please have a notebook handy. Okay, a notebook and a pen handy, and if possible have a mic. Okay, if possible have a mic. If you have a mic, I can give you the mic rights, and you can directly get in touch with me. You can directly talk to me. Okay, if in case you are unable to type, sometimes it's very tedious to type the entire question. If you have a very long question to ask, it's very tedious to type it. Okay, so if you have a mic, I'll give you the mic rights. You can directly speak to me, so it's one on one. Okay. You are not satisfied with me, Mukesh ji? What else I can do for you in order to get you satisfied? You have asked two questions. I might have missed it, Mukesh ji. So Mukesh ji, it's not deliberately that I have done something for you. Okay. uh, you can just ask those questions again, and I'll reply back. Okay, I'll not be I'm not going to log out unless I answer those questions. Okay. Yes, Mukesh ji, please go ahead with your question. Can you please put it here one more time? I'll show you the timings. Okay, so till the time Mukesh ji paste in his questions here. Okay, what is the difference between Trade Tiger and regular Sharekhan website? Mukesh ji, I have answered this question. I don't know how you missed that. Okay, now when you use the normal website, you will not be able to have the Ignite tab. Okay, you will not be having the Ignite tab. Ignite tab is available only on the Trade Tiger version. Okay, on the Trade Tiger app that you have it on your desktop or laptop. Okay, what is your second question? What is the second question, Mukesh ji? I hope this is clear to you. Question number one is clear. The Trade Tiger menus completely change in updated version. Chandra ji, what you can do is very simple. Just take the help of the IT team. Okay, just take the help of the IT team. They will help you out, or you can just go back to default. Will the same user ID and password? Yes, absolutely. The same user ID and password will be applicable both on the website as well as on the app. Okay, I've answered both the question, Mukesh ji. Somehow you have missed it because of some internet issues. You somehow have missed it. I have answered both the question. Manik ji, yes, I will suggest some of the books, but not today. As we go along, sometime later, I will be suggesting you some books. Okay. Yes, absolutely, Krishna ji. Okay, guys. Any more questions? Okay, yes. Now let's see tomorrow's timing before we log off. Before we log off, let's see tomorrow's timing. Now tomorrow the timings I guess is same. It's 11 to 1. The regular timing here. Yes, tomorrow's timing is again 11 to 1 only. Okay, tomorrow's timing is again 11 to 1, and first we will complete sets. First we will complete settings, and after we have completed settings, we will go to the basics of the stock market. Okay, we'll be having basics of the stock market. Not tomorrow, it's 19th of May, and you can see the timings here 11 to 1. Okay, tomorrow is 19th of May, and we have timings, regular timing 11 to 1. Now in the past session you can watch the recording of every session. All those sessions that are completed here, all those sessions that are already completed, you can click on the past session tab, and you have your recordings here available. Okay, clear? Sankil ji, I have already made the announcement. Two announcement I have made. One was keep a notebook handy. Keep a notebook handy and a pen. And if you have a mic, you can directly speak to me as well. No, Arumugam ji, you cannot download. Okay, Arumugam ji, you cannot download. Okay, so that's it from my end, guys. That's it from my end. Please watch the recording. Please download and install Trade Tiger on your desktop or laptop, and try login into your account. Okay, try login into your account. Tomorrow's topic will be, first of all, we'll be covering settings. And then we'll be covering the basic terminologies. Okay, basic market terminologies. Okay guys, thank you so much. Bye guys, take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys.